welcome to Brains and the Beats. And if you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So this one, this one is fun and games, and this one is about big belly man are in demand. You know, it's summer 2019 and everybody want them six-pack, everybody want them belly flat. But according to new statistics, it says that big belly man, the woman, them love them up. Anyways, let's get into this article. It says, having a big belly is something that is often associated with rich men, and according to a study commissioned by Planet Fitness study recently, there has been greater acceptance for dad bods in recent years. The study also said that 61% of women in America find the less toned male physique a lot sexier. Nearly 4 in 5 among both women and men, 78% believe that a dad bod is a sign of a man who is confident in his own skin. However, this was not the view among some people in downtown Kingston. Me belly big, you know, so me wouldn't take a man with a big belly. Me rather the man them with a six-pack, the sexy six-pack. Me not say the big belly man them no sexy, but through my belly high, me wouldn't want a big belly man on top of me. So me will work with the man them with the sexy six-pack. Mom, how your belly high and you want a man with six-pack? How that work? How that work, mom? Anything, whatever floats your boat, madam. Keith, who is also known as Paul Tribe, claims that some women are likely to shun men with bigger bellies because it is often said that their manhood is smaller. Slimmer men, he claims, have better luck with females. The man them in between, like myself, and the maga man them have a bigger thing where the girl them like and comfortable with. When him a go road, she vex and a go on, but she remember the thing, so she whip it back on him, he said. Leaping at the opportunity to defend the dad bod, Shelly said that she loves men with big bellies, although people often ridicule them. Shelly said she loves a man with a big belly, although people often ridicule them. Me love my big belly. Love the big belly, cause the big belly man know how to do them thing. Remember them say big belly man no know how to do nothing, you know. But my big belly boy know how to do him thing. So them have the flat belly know how to do nothing. Me very comfortable with my big belly man, she said. While some persons have negative things to say about men with dad bods, media personality and relationship expert Shellyanne Weeks said that women have different preferences when it comes to men, and that's true. There are a lot of studies. People study anything they want to study and prove what they want to prove. As it relates to how women feel about big belly men, if we use Jamaica as an example, I don't see big belly men in Jamaica having any problem getting a woman. So I suppose some women out there love them. I don't know about how women generally prefer men because everybody has their type. Different women like different things. And I don't have a problem with, you have a little pudge, you're enjoying life, you're eating a warm, and I have no problem with that because my belly not at the flattest Pangadland no anymore. Okay, so if you want a man with flat belly, make sure you have flat belly. That's all I have to tell you now. Anyways, what are your thoughts on that? Do you like a man with a big belly? Do you like a woman with a big belly or a flat six-pack? Or what are your preferences in women and men and vice versa? Do you think that this study is true and women prefer men with bigger bellies? Honestly, if a man belly is too big, I'm just gonna put that out there, something is wrong. They probably need to seek medical help. If the man look like them 9 months pregnant, that's not a dad bod. So y'all did a survey about women in America who struggling with obesity themselves and put this crap in Jamaica news. You know, you need to eat a little bit and enjoy my life and in belly kind of, yeah, not the one that will look like them 9 months pregnant, not them one them they talk about. Anyways, about 60% of Jamaican men have big belly because them love them red stripe belly. Weed man alone have fat belly. Anyways, some of you complain about where the good men at. Most of them have big belly. LOL. Most six-pack men are gays. Big belly man come with their money and not wood. Yeah. It's not healthy though. More like to be linked to diabetes and other diseases. That's true to a certain extent. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you like a big belly man? Do you like a big belly woman? Do you like something where you can cuddle up, something where a little fluff, you know, flat like board and feel like you're a little on ground? And also, do you think that having a big belly or like a pudge is a sign of unhealthiness? And what are your thoughts are about men that have a ginormous belly, well, look like them 9 months pregnant? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Do save.